Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how do we hear sound, certain terms related to sound such as amplitude, frequency, pitch of the sound, etc.
How do we hear sound? We hear sound through our ears. The shape of the outer part of the ear is like a funnel. When sound enters it, it travels down a canal at the end of which a thin membrane is stretched tightly. It is called the eardrum. Sound vibrations make the eardrum vibrate. The eardrum sends vibrations to the inner ear. From there, the signal goes to the brain. This is how we hear. Amplitude, time period, and frequency of sound. Amplitude. Amplitude of the sound is nothing but the loudness or the amount of maximum displacement of the particles while the sound is produced. When the amplitude of the vibration is large, the sound produced is loud. When the amplitude is small, the sound is feeble. Frequency of sound. The number of oscillations per second is called the frequency of the oscillation. Frequency is expressed in terms of hertz. Loudness and pitch of a sound. Loudness depends on the amplitude of vibrations. Loudness of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of the vibration producing the sound. If the amplitude becomes twice, the loudness increases by a factor of 4. The loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel. It is represented as dB. The following table gives some idea of the loudness of sound coming from various sources. Above 80 decibel, the noise becomes physically painful. Pitch of a sound. If the two sounds are equally loud, they differ in some way. The difference in sound is due to the shrillness or pitch of the sound. If the sound has high frequency, that is, number of oscillations per second is high, then it has high pitch or shrillness. If the frequency of vibration is low, then it has low pitch. Example is vibration of drums. The number of oscillations per second in a low pitch sound is less. Next is audible sounds. Sounds which we can hear is about 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. These sounds are called audible sounds. Ultrasonic sounds. Animals like squirrels communicate with each other with a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz. These sounds are called as ultrasonic sound. Dogs and whales also have the ability to hear ultrasonic sounds. The ultrasonics are used to take the scan pictures of various vital organs. Next is infrasonic sound. Sounds which have frequency less than 20 Hz are termed as infrasonic sounds. Music and noise. Sounds which are pleasant to hear are called as music. Here we have number of instruments which produces pleasing sound. Sounds which gives discomfort to hear. Such unpleasant sounds are called as noise. For example, when a cup of glass breaks, it produces a noise. Noise pollution and its control. The presence of excessive or unwanted sounds in the environment is called noise pollution. Major causes of noise pollution are sounds of vehicles, explosions including bursting of crackers, machines, loudspeakers, etc. Television and transistor radio at high volumes, some kitchen utensils, desert coolers, air conditioners all contribute to noise pollution.